Alright, let's go. Yo, what's good, y'all? Today it is hold on, let me just show y'all.
Yeah, it looks like that today. So there's not much that we can do.
So seeing the circumstances, I'm gonna try to be as productive as possible. I just woke up, so yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth and all that. And yeah, today we're gonna go study, of course, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. But yeah, it's not the usual video. I know you guys want to see the other stuff too, but right now, you know, I gotta study a bit, so might as well take y'all with me, you know, show y'all. And yeah, so yeah, let's get ready. So alright, y'all, before we do anything, I'm gonna clean off my car. There's a lot of snow on it, so yeah, I hate these days, to be honest, but yeah, let's do that.
That's what happened, you make shit timeless.
Let me get my gloves. My hand is cold right now. I need to get my gloves. Alright, let's go. Alright, y'all, so we are back inside right now. Yeah, I don't know if I should do some work. You know what? I'm gonna try to do some work before I go to school and I come back. Yeah, we're gonna get it, so yeah, let's get it, folk. Yeah. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, let's get it. Hold on.
'Cause now I know without a shadow of a doubt that I'm better off, baby, without you.
That's what happened, you make shit that's timeless. Timeless.
Alright, y'all. Yeah, I just realized I'm late for school, so I gotta go. I'll catch y'all later. Yeah. Nah, I wasn't gonna leave y'all at home, to be honest. But yeah, it's snowing out, so you know, primarily I'm doing this for my safety, but you know, I'm taking y'all with me. There's a lot of snow. I think it's like a meter of snow today, which is crazy, you know what I mean? But yeah, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we are at school right now, and you know, yeah, they don't plow the damn parking lots, bro. I'm paying all this money, y'all can't even park, y'all can't even plow shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, nah, I gotta go to class, and my bad, I gotta go to class, you know, catch up on some bangs. So yeah, today's just terrible, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all after class. Bro, it was so cold out there, y'all don't understand, but I don't know, it's super cold. Plus the wind is blowing in my face, like all the snow blowing that in my face. So yeah, man, I need to get the hell out of here. But I'm gonna catch y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Let me get a sip of this. Y'all, so we are back, and yeah, I need to get my work done. Sorry, wait, hold on, the lighting is all messed up. Hold on. Yeah, so like I was saying, so we're back, and yeah, I need to get my work done. Obviously class was alright, it was hella cold out there, so yeah, let's get it popping. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much it for the video. I'm gonna get more work done, of course. I can't take y'all with me for that regard. But I think I'm gonna go rest, then probably do some more work. But for right now, you know, I'm kind of tired. And but yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm finna take a nap just now, so I'm so tired. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and deuces, y'all.